Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other thing. Well, season's changing. We're into fall. It's getting almost time to drain the pool and winterize it. So probably be working on that later this week. Anyhow, tonight I'm going to do a cook. I'm going to do it out there in the Rshack testing facility. What we got going on tonight, we've got grilled pork chops. We're going to do them up on that PK cooker. We'll be putting some Japanese barbecue sauce on it. So let's get out there, let's get that barbecue fired up, and we'll get this cook started. Fall in the pool, Liz. There she is. PK cooker. Let me get you set up. Alright, so let's go ahead and take our rack out. This. Set it over here on the Rshackbbq. Got my charcoal basket. So we got that open all the way. Let's get let's get our fire starter down in there. Let's get it lit. Got my mini charcoal chimney. Let's put that over on top. Let's let these coals come up to temp. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and dump our coals here. Let me put my gloves. And like I said, I have the bottom vent open underneath the charcoal basket. So get this dumped in there. Oh yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Get our grate back on here. Then what we're going to do is our grill grates on here. Get them heating up. Because what we're going to do is we are going to sear our pork chops and then we'll cook them. So let this on. I'm going to get my bin open. Actually, we're going to open the far one so it draws it up and across and out. So let's let the grill come up to temp here. Okay, while our grill's coming up to temp, we have our pork chops here. We've got 3 of them, bone in. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some duck fat. Get these out here. Good sized pork chops there. Take the duck fat, give it a little spray down. So, then we're going to hit it with some Johnny's Henry's. Flip them over. Alright. And there's our barbecue sauce, but we're going to use that later. Let's take a look at our grill grates here. Give them a quick wipe down. The grill, it says on the true temp that we're at 300 degrees, so we're getting close. We'll go ahead and hit it with some duck fat too. So, alright. Close it back up. So this says our grill is up about 350. So let's go ahead and get these on here. Hopefully it's been long enough. Let's get them down on here. A little sizzle there. Oh yeah. Close it up. You know, let it go for a minute and then we'll rotate them. Alright, in 1 minute. See what we can do here. And let's start down here with this one. Rotate it like this. This one's kind of an odd shaped one. We're going to move it over there. And then we'll take this one, put it right here. Okay. We'll let those go for another minute. Alright, so let's just have a look here. So this one down here is looking really good. So let's flip it over. You can see it's getting some nice cross hatches. So we're going to move it down here. Take this one. Let's move it up there. See what this one looks like. Yeah, that's looking better. So we'll just set these two on here. Push them over a little bit. Something like that. And we'll save this one down here. Alright. Let's get some nice grill marks on those other ones, huh? Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these off. Look at that. Try to do it without dropping. That's going to be the fun part. Alright. Got those moved out of the way. Let me grab my gloves again. I'm going to take my grill grates out. And we are going to set these right on the grates here. Let's get these out. Got those out of the way. Let's bring the chocks back in. Something like this. What we're going to do now is we are going to take the Japanese barbecue sauce, twist it open here, just put some on here. Oh yeah. I thought I need a brush, but you don't need no brush for this. Oh, look at that. Alright. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. So we're going to give it the same amount of time. Let's go 2 minutes. And then I'm going to actually temp these and see what they're running at temp-wise. We're going to be looking for a internal temp 140, and then we're going to pull them. But what I'm hoping is that they're going to be about 130 right now when I temp them. And then I'm going to flip them over, put some more of that barbecue sauce on the other side. We're going to just do a quick little flip on them, and then we'll give it a minute or two so that sauce can kind of help if I had a better spatula. Put my hand on it. There we go. Trying to use my grill grate spatula for everything. It's not working out that well. So, a little more barbecue sauce on it here. So we are going to give this just a couple minutes here. Alright, so that's been 2 minutes. Let's take our thermo pin here, and let's get it turned on. Let's just get an idea of what these are running. So we're actually, wow, look at there. That one's done. Yeah, all these are right there at the 140, 145, alright, 149. So let's get these off of here and let's get them tinted. I'm telling you right now, these smell fabulous. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat good tonight. It's closed up. Got my foil here. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to shut down the vents on this. Shut that one down. Shut the one underneath. Shut that down. And we'll let it just cool off. Let's get in the house. So here's our pork chops. Have a look at them. Don't those look beautiful? Those are delicious looking. Oh yeah. Let's just take one. Put a little more Japanese style barbecue sauce on it. Something like that. Let's cut us a little bite. So delicious looking. Get in here like this so you can actually see on. Look at that. Let's get us a bite. Alright, let's taste this. A little more sauce on it. Cheers. Oh man. I'm telling you, that is the bomb right there. Wow. Wow. That is good. You guys, I would tell you to go to, is it Buchan's? Buchan's? Say it like that. Hope that doesn't sound bad. But Japanese barbecue sauce. Oh my. That is so good. Nice big bite. That pecan. Oh. So delicious. Cheers. That is some good pork chop right there. Now, you saw I did that on the PK. Put a bunch of charcoal in my mini Weber chimney and got it lit and let it go. Had it set up for indirect. Once the coals got up to temp, I dumped them in my charcoal basket and then put my grill grates on. And honestly, I should have let them go probably 45 minutes to get up to temp with how cold it is out there. The grill grate was not completely up to temp. Only one of them had really good sear marks on it. The other two, they were okay because they were more on the indirect side. I thought there'd be a little more carryover heat throughout that aluminum grill grate, but there wasn't. So maybe next time I will go ahead and not do indirect, but what I'll do is I'll make a big bed of coals, get those grill grates really hot, sear them, take them off, maybe then scoot the charcoal over to one side and then do the indirect. And then that should eliminate not getting good grill grates on these, or grill marks on these. And then what I was shooting for was 140. They actually were running about 145 to 150 when I tested them with my Thermopin, and we put that Japanese barbecue sauce, just poured it right on it, flipped them over, let them go another 2 minutes to kind of just get that barbecue sauce to set. And, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. These pork chops are killer. We're gonna, yeah, I can't wait till my wife gets home from work and she can try these, because they're gonna be, it's gonna blow her mind. And she's not a pork chop fan, but I guarantee she will like these. Well, anyhow, like I always say, you can do this too. You can do it pretty much on any grill. You don't really need the grill grates either. If you know, just trying to make them look pretty with the grill marks, the hash marks on them. But you don't have to do that. You can just grill them up, gas grill, charcoal grill, pellet grill. I would just say, make sure you're running them up to about 140, 145 so that that meat is at a safe temp to eat. Anything over 155 to 160, you're going to start drying out those pork chops. So try to catch them when they're in the mid to high 40s, 140s. And then pull them. I just let them rest for 10 minutes. I got a couple of potatoes in the microwave. They're just about done. And we are going to eat good. So, anyhow, thank you for watching. You can do this too. It's not that hard. Till next time, my friends. Grill. So good.